Once upon a time, there was a kind man named Ravi who lived in a small, peaceful village. Known for his joyful spirit, Ravi was always smiling and full of life. It didn't matter if it rained for days or if the harvest was poor. Ravi always found a reason to be grateful. One year, however, things became especially tough for Ravi. His crops failed because of a drought. His small shop wasn't doing well, and some of his closest friends had moved to the city for better opportunities. Yet, despite all this, Ravi kept his warm smile and calm nature. One day, a curious young boy in the village, Arun, asked Ravi, "Why are you always so happy, even when things don't go well? Aren't you worried about your crops or your shop?" Ravi thought for a moment and then said, "Arun, I once learned a powerful lesson. There was a time when I was like everyone else, worrying when things went wrong. But then one night, I met an old traveler who gave me some wise advice. He said, 'Ravi, happiness is like the sun. Sometimes clouds will hide it, but if you trust it's still there, it will shine again. The clouds are only temporary.'" Arun looked at him wide-eyed. "But how do you remember to be happy when things are hard?" Ravi smiled, pointing to a small flower growing between rocks by the side of the road. "See that flower? It doesn't wait for perfect soil or the right conditions. It grows wherever it can, bringing beauty to even the hardest places. I try to be like that flower, to find a little joy in any situation. I focus on what's good, and I know that challenges will pass, just like the clouds." Arun nodded, feeling inspired by Ravi's simple wisdom. He understood that happiness wasn't about having perfect conditions, but choosing to see the beauty even when things seemed difficult. From that day on, Ravi's words stayed with Arun. Whenever he faced a challenge, he remembered the flower growing between rocks, a symbol of hope and resilience, and he learned to find his own little joys even in hard times. And just like that, Ravi's small lesson on happiness spread through the village, reminding everyone that sometimes the art of happiness is simply choosing to see the light, no matter what life brings.